And in Guatemala, Guatemala has struggled with the problem of malnourished children for generations. Now UNICEF and other organizations are working on a national plan to reduce chronic malnutrition.
Santa Sebastiana knows about malnutrition firsthand. She lives with her elderly mother, husband, and 2 children in Santa Lucia, Guatemala. She earns less than $1 a day by raising rabbits and cleaning other people's houses. Her husband is getting old and recently injured his leg. The only work he can find is helping gather feed for the rabbits. Pacheco has a bad leg too. She has had 11 surgeries to repair chronic nerve and vein damage.
Pues en que manoche no comí de lo esencial que más barato que le. En a veces que se cook en un frijol que mano on que mano en arroz, pero ma que antak de 2 glass ni siya hun itaknis que niya que takalap. I khachali que mano on sino kalao mano ki rabano I kim am picar ya shel pumul kalmurs sheikh on quetzal on 25.
The lack of money means lack of food, which means potentially devastating consequences for her children. Half the children in Guatemala suffer from chronic malnutrition, which manifests itself into stunted growth and lower IQ scores. 1 out of 2 children is chronically malnutritious in Guatemala, but in indigenous communities it's 4 out of 5, 80% of children under 5 years of age. If children are malnutritious during key periods of growth, they won't develop properly. This means future generations may have lower intellectual capacity and productivity that will also slow the progress of the entire country. UNICEF and the UN are currently working with the government, various non-governmental organizations and private corporations to implement a national plan for the reduction of chronic malnutrition. This strategy includes lobbying public officials for legal reforms, the creation of feeding centers to provide vitamins and micronutrients, as well as the promotion of breastfeeding. Families like the Pachecos are in desperate need of help. Right now, only a limited number of them are being reached. They're barely surviving, and their children are being swept up in a vicious cycle that needs to be broken. TITV Weekly.